A calm October night turned dangerous when a driver crossed the double yellow line, almost hit a police officer.
You speak English?
Yeah.
Were you trying to hit me?
No.
All right. Why'd you go over the double yellow lines? Where are you coming from right now? How much did you guys drink? Huh? All right. How much did you drink? Where are you coming from? Because I'm getting an odor of alcohol. Can you step out of the car? Come with me over here. All right. You didn't drink anything, you're telling me.
Mm-hmm.
Here, you can stay. Have him stay in the car.
Oh,
He's fine.
Oh.
All right. Can you do a standardized sobriety test?
Mm-hmm.
You sure? Mm-hmm. All right. I want you to look at my finger with your eyes only. Okay, I'm going to check your eyes first test. All right. After this, you can do a walking test. Am I right? Mm-hmm. Okay. You want to move your... Yeah. Follow my finger with your eyes only. Don't move your head. Okay. Bruno. Want to see the HGN? Follow my finger with your eyes again only. We're going to use this line right over here, okay? The line should help you. We're as level as we're going to be here, okay? All right. I want you to put your left foot in front of your right foot, touching heel to toe. Are those shoes okay for you to walk in?
I mean, yeah.
Okay. I want you to leave your arms resting on your side. Look at me, pay attention to the directions. It's very important you pay attention, okay? When I tell you to, I want you to take 9 heel to toe steps. Count each step out loud.
Okay.
On the 9th step, you're going to keep that foot planted on the ground. You're going to turn yourself around. You're going to complete the final 9 steps. Okay? I'm going to demonstrate the test for you. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Keep that foot planted. I counted 3. You're going to count 9.
Okay.
Turning myself around. 1, 2, 3. I counted 3. You're going to count 9. Okay? Make sure you touch heel to toe and you count out loud.
Okay.
Go ahead. Begin the test.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn up.
Do what you think is right. I gave you the directions to the test.
Sorry. 1, 2,
Okay. Next test. All right. Whichever leg you're more comfortable with, you're going to lift it off the ground. Okay. Leave your arms resting on your side. When I tell you to, you lift the leg off the ground. You're going to look at your foot. You're going to count out loud like this. I'm going to demonstrate the test for you. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, up until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
You understand?
Yep.
Go ahead. Leave your arms at your side. Don't raise your arms.
1000.
Don't grab your hips.
1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010.
Keep going up until I tell you to stop. Those are the directions.
Sorry. 1011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016.
All right, you can stop. All right. I'll give you a verbal miranda first. You have a right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court of law. You have a right to an attorney. If you can't afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you, and you can exercise your rights at any time. Choose to answer any questions. How much did you drink?
Nothing.
Nothing. I've been a cop a long time. I'm looking at your eyes. Your test was terrible. We're going to go. We're going to do testing. You're going to come with me. You understand?
Yes.
Okay. All right. I'm putting you under arrest for driving under the influence of alcohol. Did you take a drug, maybe?
No.
You didn't take a drug. Wasn't a good test. Okay. Alright, you gonna come with me? I'll come in this car. Go ahead, jump in. Bruno, can you grab me the packet? I'm gonna actually go to Leonia. Is that her purse? Let me ask her what's in here. Would it be in here? In this bag?
No, it's in the middle section of my car.
Middle
Or
section.
no, it's in the back of my phone.
In the back of the phone. Alright, Chang, grab her phone.
Phone?
Yeah.
This is your phone? That one?
Yeah. Hold on. This is her leaving this in here. You take the bag.
What's this one? Yeah, this one.
Make sure. Okay. Yep. It's on her phone. Out of the car. Just go right in there.
You need anything else?
Nah, I'm good. I'm good. Your phone. The license is this in the back, right? I'm gonna turn your phone off for now. How you turn this off? There we go. Put it back over here. Try it. What's up? Is there a key fob in this purse?
There should be.
Somebody's not able to take out that key.
Yeah. So now for me, I'm gonna control this floor. Right hand or left hand?
Right.
Yeah, sit more over here. I'll use your left hand. You're not so out. You want to wear a watch? You're gonna have to take it off on the left hand. You have no other electronics on, right? Like no lights on. All right. I'm hoping to have you out of here in 30 minutes. You just have to do this paperwork. All right, before you ask any questions, you must be advised of the constitutional rights. You have the right to remain silent and refuse to answer any questions. You understand that? Anything you say can and will be used against you in court of law. Do you understand that? You have the right to talk to an attorney at any time and have him present with you while you are being questioned. Do you understand that? If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. Do you understand that? You may stop answering questions or request attorney at any time. Do you understand that? You have questions I asked you. If you don't want to write, I can just write refuse. Yeah, just really use yeah, every word is initial. This is that I've read to you. Bodycam regardless. If you don't want to fill it out, you don't have to just write refuse. Yeah, it's right in the it's here and Xbox. Yeah. I know. Yeah, sure, that's all. You don't have a tongue piercing or anything, right? All right. In the meantime, don't burp, don't do anything, okay? Did you burp?
Yeah.
How long ago? All right, don't burp, all right? I didn't see you burp. Just don't burp. Don't burp, don't do anything. All right, let me restart the 20-minute. 45302. Restart the 20-minute observation, please. Yeah, it's very important you don't burp. What do you do for work?
Department of Corrections.
You're a CO?
No, so
Are you sick?
no.
No. No. Are you under the care of a doctor? Are you taking medicine?
No.
Do you have diabetes?
No.
Are you injured? Are any injuries affecting you now? We have to do Miranda one more time. Alright, before you ask any questions, you must be advised of your constitutional rights. One, you have the right to remain silent or refuse to answer questions at any time. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Anything you say can and will be used against you in court of law. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You have the right to talk to an attorney at any time and have him present with you while you're being questioned. Do you understand that? If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. Do you understand that? You may stop answering questions at any time. You may stop answering questions or request an attorney at any time. Do you understand that? What kind of alcoholic drinks have you had? You didn't have any. I have to ask you this question. How many? Say yes or no.
No.
All right. Where were you?
Susanna.
All right. What was the time between each drink? All right. When did you have your first drink? What time did you finish eating?
Eating? 11.
What did you eat?
Clams and
Seafood?
pork belly, yeah.
Right, seafood and pork belly. There's pork. I believe you said it. One, you've been arrested for driving while intoxicated on JSA 39450. Two, the law requires you to submit samples of your breath for the purpose of testing to determine alcohol content. Three, a record of the taking of the breath samples, including the test results, will be made. Upon your request, a copy of that record will be made available to you. Four, after you have provided samples of your breath for testing, you have the right at your own expense to have a person or physician of your own selection take independent samples of your breath, blood, or urine for independent testing. Five, if you refuse to provide breath samples, if you refuse to provide samples of your breath,
By now, officer had a multiple indicators confirming their decision arrest here.
you will be issued a separate summons for the refusal. A court may find you guilty of both refusal and driving while intoxicated. 6. If a court finds you guilty of the refusal, you will be subject to various penalties, including license revocation of up to 20 years, a fine of up to $2,000, installation of an ignition interlock, and referral to an intoxicated driver resource center. These penalties may be in addition to or penalties imposed by court for any other offenses for which you are found guilty. 7. You have no legal right to have an attorney, physician, or anyone else present for the purpose of taking the breath samples. You have no legal right to refuse to give or delay giving samples of your breath. 8. Any response from you that is ambiguous or conditional in any respect to my request that you provide breath samples will be treated as a refusal to submit the breath testing. Even if you agree to take the test, but then do not follow my instructions, do not properly perform the test, or do not provide sufficient breath samples, I will charge you with refusal to submit the breath testing. 9. I repeat, the law requires you to submit samples of your breath for testing. Will you submit samples of your breath?
Yes.
Now we're going to wait. Stop the machine, we're going to wait. So we're here because your standard actual sobriety test, I had more than enough probable cause to make the arrest. So I'm going to get breath samples and we'll go from there. But you told me you didn't take any drugs or anything. No. Do you take any prescription medication? No. Have you not slept in a few days? Are you tired? Like, because tired also is kind of like you're intoxicated.
No, I just have anxiety.
You have anxiety. Are you taking medication for the anxiety? So we're just going to hang out now for the 20 minutes with the breath samples and we'll go from there. You burped again? Four, five, three, on to the count. Restart the 20-minute observation. Yeah, please do not burp again. These are all signs of alcohol consumption. Please, if you didn't drink, I want to put you on this machine so you can give me zeros. Because right now your standardized sobriety test, if you get a lawyer, they're going to view the body cam, they're going to say, these indicators are all there. There's enough to make an arrest, and there's going to be consequences. I'd rather you don't burp, go on the machine, and blow zeros. Been a police officer a long time. If you didn't drink, we wouldn't be here. Yeah, I got locked up. They saw you, what was that? Put your cell phone. Is this address correct? What's your social security number? How old are you?
Yes.
How tall are you?
5'3".
How much you weigh?
128.
128. Where were you born?
Teenage.
You have any scars, marks, or tattoos? Left shoulder.
It's on my right ankle.
What's your email address?
Be advised, you may contact the resident, while it's entering his house so that he fire, so, running for.
Alright, I'm putting your license in your bag right here. You are gonna get issued some summonses. Okay, this is for the DUI. Okay, this one's gonna be for, because you went over the double yellow lines and you almost hit me. This is for the failing to maintain lane. This is for the careless driving for almost hitting me. Okay, this is for failing to yield to the right of way to me walking across the street. Okay, and this is for the unregistered vehicle. All right, if you want to go to court, the numbers are, you're going to follow the direction and call the number at the top, okay? When you start doing this report, when you do jobs, I'll do it. All right, we can go on, yeah. My camera's rolling, we're recording.
J. Lee cases is a reminder of how one reckless decision can change everything. What do you think about the officer action and the final judgment? Share your thought in the comment. Thank you for watching.